What's up, MiniTruck? I got some work for you. See if we can get that hot tub on there ourselves using a winch. What do you think? Think it'll work? I just gotta tilt that bed a little more. We'll see. A mighty Mini. That's as high as she'll go. Let's see if it'll pull it up. Huh, it's doing it. Tip her down while I'm pulling on the winch. Oh, still tipping. That's about it. Ooh. Damn, you are the best work truck ever. You put a strap on it and we'll take it over by where the excavator is so we can load it up later. It's gonna have to go to the dump. I might smash it up first. If you're wondering why, it's because water got in there from sitting outside with the cover on and it froze pipes on the bottom. So it split the pipes and that stuff is completely surrounding all the pipes. So yeah, I'm junking it. MiniTruck, you're the best.
Riding in the MiniTruck under the sun. MotoCheez was at the wheel, we're having some fun. Mini's the best, she's got the spark. Cruising through fields or parked in the yard. Workhorse spirit, never outdone. MotoCheez is lucky she's the chosen one.
So I'm gonna drop it over here temporarily. It's heavier on the bottom, so I drop this side just in case it falls. Straight back. Uh-oh. Oh man, what the heck? Now I gotta fish that out of there. Come on, Mini. Let's clean up a little bit around the pond. What the heck? Wait a minute. I didn't do any cutting yet. Something did. What the heck? Got some beavers in here. That's crazy. Yeah, what else could do that? Has to be a beaver. Yeah, right there. Right there. Right in there. And it looks like piled up here and here, but there's no running water over here except where the dam runs out.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Rolling down a dirt trail, sun in my eye. Vin Diesel is laughing under blue sky. Mini's wheels are spinning, kicking up dust. She's the one we rely on, she's earned our trust.
From the yard to the work site, she steals the show.
That's what I'm talking about, Mini. Clear the small area. Little at a time, mini truck. Hey, it's Fox Poopy. Remember when you used to see white dogs?
Pepperidge Farm remembers.
All clear. Till next time, mini truck. 2 key tags going out. Thanks, Jeff and Soul Reactivator. That's right. Well, how you like it, Ed?
I tell you, this is amazing, this bike. For an older gentleman like myself, who's 78, I have some back problems and some hip problems, and I wanted to ride a bike, but I could only go so far. Now, riding something like this is like day and night, because I could go on a little journey with it, stop, get coffee, be outside, a very healthy element when riding a bike. I'm amazed at all the features. It pulls me up a hill. I'm just simply really amazed at this bike. You know, it's a beautiful bike. Very happy.
All right, awesome. We'll do some riding now.
Yes.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.